Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer garlic Parmesan pizza rolls. Let's begin. We have here some pepperoni pizza rolls and let's open it up. There you go. We're going to pour some of the pizza rolls in the air fryer. There you go. Spread them out. Looks like we can fit a little bit more. There you go. We have enough pizza rolls to cover the entire basket of the air fryer. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 390 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 4 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. We're going to flip them over real quick. Alright, we flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 390 degrees. Let's take them out. We're going to take the pizza rolls and pour them into a bowl. We have here a half a stick of butter and we're going to melt it in the microwave real quick. Okay, we melted the half stick of butter in the microwave for 40 seconds. We're going to put it to the side. By the way, we're using Kerrygold salted Irish butter. We'll be adding some seasoning to the butter. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And we'll be adding a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. There we go. Take everything and mix it all together. Make sure to stir it thoroughly. Looking good. Next, we're going to pour the seasoned butter onto the pizza rolls. There we go. Next, we're going to give them a nice toss just to coat the pizza rolls. Looking good. We're going to be adding some Parmesan cheese. Give it a nice toss. We're just going to add a little bit more. There we go. Looking good. We're going to put the pizza rolls onto a plate. We have here some Barilla marinara sauce, and we're going to pour some out. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer garlic Parmesan pizza rolls. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.